Hello students, welcome back to your computer online class. Students, we was in your chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter was Introducing Publisher 2013. So students, in my last class, I have explained to you about the elements of your publisher, is not it? The elements of your publisher, that is your page navigation pane, guides, types of guides, and scratch area. So regarding my last day's explanation, I have given some question and answers also. I think so every one of you have learned those answers that I have given you. So today students, we will move to another topic of the same chapter, that is your working with publisher 2013, and you will get this topic in your page number 61. So everyone take out your page number 61. In page number 61 you will get this working with publisher 2013. You look at the paragraph. If you have started with a template, one of the first things you may need to do is to modify or to add text. For adding text, you have to insert text box. Let us learn how to do that. Now see, whenever you are working with the publisher, first of all that you need to work in publisher is that you need some changes. Okay, you need to add a text. Okay, you need to add a text, or you need to change the feature, you need some modifications, is not it? You need to add pictures, you need to add images, so many things are there. So now you will get how we can insert a text box in your publisher. Okay, how we can insert a text box in your publisher. So for inserting a text box in publisher, you will get here all total 4 steps. So look at the paragraph. To add a desired text to your publication, you will have to insert text boxes. The steps for that are: step 1, select the home tab. So firstly you are going in the toolbar. Okay, toolbar is at the top. Then you are going to select the home tab from your toolbar with the help of your mouse. Okay, you are going to click on the home tab. Then in step 2, in the object group, click the draw text box. The cursor will change to a plus sign. Now here, when after clicking to home tab, you will get an object group. Okay, you will get objects. You are going to click in the text box. Okay, you are going to click in the draw text box. When you will click on the text box, you will find the cursor is blinking. Okay, you will find the cursor is blinking, and that particular cursor is in the symbol of your plus. I think so everyone knows the plus sign. You will find that the cursor plus sign is blinking on the screen. Then you will move to step 3. Click anywhere on the publication and drag the mouse to insert the text box. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click with the help of our mouse, we are going to click anywhere in the publication and drag the mouse to the text box. Okay, wherever you want to place this text box, you are going to insert in the text box. You are going to drag the mouse in your text box. Then come to your step 4. Okay, look at step 4 in page number 62. Type the text shown in figure 4.10. Notice that on selecting the text box, 2 additional tabs appear on the ribbon. So you will get here 2 tabs. One is your drawing tool and another is your text box tool with their respective formats. So here, when you are going to type any sort of text, okay, inside the text box, you will get ribbon. Okay, you will get ribbon, 2 tabs in your ribbon bar. Okay, and what are the 2 tabs that are present in your ribbon bar? One is your drawing tool and another is your text box tool. Now here the 2 tabs that is given to you, by the name itself you can understand. Drawing tool means if you want to insert any sort of objects, if you want to insert any sort of pictures, images, you can apply from your drawing tool. And text box tool is a tool where you can add your words, alphabets, text. Okay. So these are the two tools. These are the two tools that are present in your ribbon. Clear? So students, these are the four steps that how we are going to insert a text box. Clear? Now students, you take out your copy. I will give you one answer. Take it out first. I think so everyone has taken out your computer copy. Write today's date at the top corner of your page. I think so everyone has written the date. You are going to write from the same page where you have stopped in my last class. Now you write the question. I will dictate. What do you mean by guide? What do you mean by guide? Question mark. GUID, guide. What do you mean by guide? What do you mean by guide? Question mark. Same question. Explain the types of guide. Explain the types of guide. What do you mean by guides? GUIDES, guides. Question mark. Explain the types of guides. Explain the types of guides. GUIDES, guides. Full stop. Now for the answer, I will dictate. You are going to write it in your copy. Guides are horizontal. Guides are horizontal and vertical lines that appear on our publication while we are working with it. While we are working with it. Clear? I am repeating again. Guides, GUIDES, guides are horizontal, 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 and vertical, VERTICAL, vertical lines that appear, APPEAR, appear on our publication, 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 while, WHILE, while we are working, WORKING, working with it, WITH, with it, at it. Then you change the paragraph. Then you write, there are two types of guide. There are two types of guides. THERE, there are two types of guides, which are, WHICH, which are explained below, EXPLAINED, explained below, BELOW, below. Give a hyphen. In the next line you write Roman number 1. Then you take out page number 60. Page number 60 you have taken out. You have seen margin guide. Make it Roman number 1, margin guide. Underline hyphen. Written margin guide, underline hyphen. Then you will write this is THIS, this is the blue line, LINE line, that mark the edges or margins of the printable area on each page of our publication. In place of your, you are going to write our publication, full stop. These guides are created automatically when we set our page margins. In place of you are going to write we. In place of your, you are going to write our. Page margins. Our page margins. Written. Then you write Roman number 2, customizable guide. You have got their customizable guide. Make it Roman number 2. In the next line, you are going to write customizable guide. CUSTOMIZABLE. Customizable guide. Underline hyphen. Then you will write this is THIS. This is the green line that we can add. In place of you are going to write we, that we can add anywhere on our publication. In place of your, you are going to write our, on our publication, full stop. To add green guides, comma, click either the horizontal or the vertical ruler up to your ruler. Page number 61, up to your vertical ruler. In the first line itself, we will get vertical ruler. Up to your vertical ruler. Clear? I am repeating again. What was the question? What do you mean by guide? Explain the types of guide. So, you will write first. You will write guide. Answer. Guides, GUIDs, guides are horizontal and vertical lines that appear on our publication while we are working with it. While we are working with it. Written. Then you will change the paragraph and write, there are two types of guides. THERE, there are two types of guides, which are explained below. Which are explained below. EXPLAINED. Explained below. BLOW, below. Give a hyphen. Then you will write Roman number 1, margin guide, underline hyphen. This is the blue line that mark the edges or margins of the printable area on each page of our publication. These guides are created automatically when we set our page margins. Finished? Then in the next line you will write Roman number 2, customizable guide, underline hyphen. Customizable guide, underline hyphen. This is the green line that we can add anywhere on our publication. Full stop. To add green guide, click either the horizontal or the vertical ruler up to your vertical ruler. Clear? So today students, I have given you one question and answer and I have explained you how we can insert a text box. So you are going to learn this answer that I have given you today as your homework and write it very neatly, clearly in your computer copies. So students, that's all for today. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.